How to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you want to display your iPhone screen on a TV, projector or another device, screen mirroring is a handy feature. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your device settings. After that, go to general section and then tap on AirPlay and continuity. Tap on the first option of AirPlay and continuity and tap on Ask. Once you do so, the next step is to open Control Center. Swipe down to open the Control Center and then locate the screen mirroring. If it's not on the Control Center, long press on the screen so that you get the option of Add a control. Now select the screen mirroring option, which is two overlapping rectangles. Tap on it and a list of available devices will appear. These are the devices you can mirror your phone's screen to. Select the device you want to connect to and you are good to go. However, some devices may require an AirPlay code, so if prompted, enter the code displayed on the device you're connecting to. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.